Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data, then move straight to accessibility controls. Open Settings and navigate to Accessibility or Interaction. Once there, enable Guided Access on iOS or tap locking features on Android. This immediately restricts input to a single app or area. Make sure to set a strong passcode for the lock so accidental taps cannot exit. You do this now because it's reversible, quick, and prevents further unintended touches while you assess hardware or software causes. Once guided access is active, fine-tune settings, reduce touch sensitivity, disable features like tap-to-wake and edge gestures, and test behavior. If the problem persists, install a reputable TouchLock app to temporarily block input, or enable developer options to simulate touch filtering. Reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is causing the phantom touches. You should perform each change one at a time and test for a few minutes, so you know which adjustment fixes the issue. To finish, restart the phone and install any system updates. These often fix touch recognition bugs. If software fixes fail, back up and perform a factory reset to rule out firmware corruption. When phantom input continues, inspect for moisture or screen damage. Hardware faults require digitizer replacement. If it still won't respond, make sure to document tests you ran and contact a repair service or manufacturer support. One key troubleshooting tip: booting into safe mode quickly shows whether an app or hardware is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.